In this week's edition of the Business Review, we look at a restaurant making waves on the local market.
Wing King. This story began with a dream of owning a finger food outlet.
There was this place I used to go to eat, and it was a wings place. I used to go there and I used to sit down as a teenager and I used to say, one day I want to have my own finger food restaurant, a restaurant that you can come and sit down and eat. I just love chicken wings. So years later, when I moved back home to Jamaica, I said, well, now is a good time to start.
So Pastor Christopher Morgan started cooking in his yard on Fridays, and as his customer base increased, he knew he had to find a commercial space. His first location set, business was good. Mr. Morgan says he had to establish another outlet.
Right now we're standing at the Portmore location. It's our newest location, and we have only been here for about 5 months, since August of last year. So we're brand new to the Portmore area.
Unlike other companies that had challenges due to COVID-19, Wing King's takeout and delivery service options were a hit. Getting 2 locations, Mr. Morgan says, required him to be smart with money.
A startup at home, what we did was we sold wings, and whatever money we got, we bought a fryer, then we sell it, we buy 2 fryers, and we sell it, we buy another. So it's the cost of the equipment, staffing, to pay the staff well.
So where is Wing King looking to be in the next few years?
We want to move into new areas, of course, to get stores in other areas that can, where we can gain more loyal customers and grow the Wing King family. So that's our dream. So, we'd like to be in every parish and maybe a couple stores in every major city in Jamaica, and who knows, we will take Wing King to the Caribbean and to the rest of the world if we get the opportunity.
Mr. Morgan says Wing King's innovative gourmet food and competitive prices saw the company bagging a number of catering jobs. For the Business Review, I'm Aisha Nation.